It's just the passion. The conversations that are happening on every corner of the room is all AI. It's all driven by AI, and it couldn't be more exciting to be a part of.
This conference connects more people than any other conference I've been to. It's not just data center, it's not just hardware, it's not just software, it's the system that comes together that delivers for AI.
The hardware makers who are actually building the infrastructure, along with the software layers which enable that infrastructure, and so I think that's the great cross-section of the community to build this event around.
It's a really great group of people that are all really thinking hard about what's possible with AI infrastructure, and it's in that community that we see a lot of trust build together.
Anything that has been worth building has been built by a community. So this is exactly what IGNITE is trying to build, bringing all the stakeholders together who matter.
Data, energy, data centers, servers, software, they're all here and they're making deals.
Supermicro, Telus Digital,
Samanova, Freecluster,
Kamiwaza,
Hammerhead AI, Vicus Networks,
HyperXL.
Inference is actually where we get value out of the model. And so now we have that ability with inference at scale to really generate a lot of the productivity and value out of a lot of these AI models deployed into production.
The next wave is inference. That inference, I think we are underrepresenting how much demand there will be. People are saying 50% of the workload is going to be inference by 2030. I think it will be more towards 80 to 90.
So it's a very, very exciting time for us to go deeper into inference.
Welcome to the IGNITE studio at the AI Infra Summit. This is going to be a fun conversation.
Wow, exciting times. Here we are at the IGNITE studios.
Yeah, thanks for having me on here.
Well, look who popped into the IGNITE studio.
And I'm with the guy who runs the whole show. I'm really excited.
This is an exciting moment. I've been looking forward to this conversation all day.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, I can't believe we got this parking space.
Thank you for inviting me.
Thanks for taking time to come over to the studio and chat with us. Token out.
Oh, I love the partnership that Supermicro and AMD have here.
Also seeing a lot of interesting startups in AI infra, which is currently the hot space right now. Everybody needs GPUs.
We're very excited to showcase what we have. We're purpose-built for scalable inference. Come check us out.
Well, it's always really exciting to talk with founders and folks driving infrastructure underpinning AI.
We're just here to help accelerate the AI revolution.